Hi everyone, welcome to the world of astrology. This side astrologer Sushant Kashyap. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. So I'm again come with you with this new topic with this new video, and it is very important video, and it is also an interesting video also. So first of all, I'll give you some brief description about this video. So in this video we will discuss how to understand the problem of child in his learning and education. So here my stress on a topic is what are the issues child face to learn the things, to learn the subject, to learn or get a education. So in this way we will understand exactly the system, the learning styles or problem with the child astrologically we will understand which is the planet which cause a problem, or which is a planet through we can solve this problem, and many things. Along with this I'll mention the remedies for all and also for without horoscope person, a child who don't have exactly a horoscope or issues in timing, they can also follow the remedies. And here an important thing is today I will share the psychological remedies and psychological reasons also, which is creates a big difference to understand the problem of our child, which is very important. And in education system many people use this technique, or there are many people who don't use, so it is also a part of it. So we have to understand that if we will get the knowledge about this psychological reasons, we can easily and very deeply and accurately understand our child and his problem. Even you can understand his learning system. If you understand his learning system, you can give him, or you can anytime give him a discussion, give him in a guidance, or you can give any, you can very easily make him understand your ways, your topics. So it is, this is a important video, and I hope everybody will watch it and get a good idea today, and see it and apply it. You will get a good knowledge. So let's start with the video first. So first of all, we have to understand the signification of a moon planet. So astrologically, I'm explaining you the important planet in our horoscope, which is important, which denotes about the mind, which denotes about the our mind system, our thinking system, and especially our patience also. So in a child, moon planet is a planet who is giving a fastest result to the native, and it is a very mindset. It's a planet connected with mind, as I mentioned the signification, emotions, mother, milk, transparency, speed, and etc. Speed, as we all know that moons transit very quickly as compared to the others planet, so it has a speed. So let's understand the common problems which is faced by the childrens. So here is the some I already mentioned some problems here. Lack of concentration, this is a important issues which have been child has have been suffering from many years. And lack of interest in subject, and lack of interest in studies, lack of continuity, there is no continuity, this is also a problem with the child. Lack of understanding the subject, basically I have seen in a case a child told me that I'm not able to understand exactly what is this subject. I'm not getting a single thing about this subject. So this is the means the understanding of a subject is also an issue. Lack of remembrance, you can say short memory or memory issues due to fear to fail, fear to failure of in an exam, fear to face many people, fear to fail face with students and with the classmates. So these are the, I think, common issues which is faced by a child. So we will discuss on this. And I told you the moon is a planet which caused this thing. So here is first astrologically reason we have to understand with the horoscope. When moon is placed in 6th 8th from ascendant of a birth chart, in this case we can say moon planet is not well placed, it's not well placed in a good house. So it gives issues to the child, or it will give create a problem for a child to understanding the subject. Here I'm again giving a stress, we are talking about only understanding the subject. Here is, we are not talking about the breaks, burdens, or you can say hurdles to complete the education. That is a totally different subject and different planetary positions. Here we are just understanding the learning part of it. Now the next point is when moon conjoined with malefic planet. In this case also moon is not with the good planet, so he will face a problem whenever he travel, whenever he transit, it will give negative result or issues to the child to learning the subject. He will not, he will, a child will be not less, he will be a less patience, or he will not sit it, and it many problems I already mentioned. Next point is when moon is having aspect of malefic planet. In this case also moon creates a problem. When moon is debilitated and if it is having aspect of a malefic planets and sitting with the malefic planets, it is also a situation in which moon is less powerful and it's in a in a bad position. So here one more point is also when moon is not Pakshbali. Pakshbali means there are some half moon and full moon days. So in this moon should be in a full moon days. So it will be a very strong. Here when moon having malefic in his next house means if a moon placed in any house of a birth chart, and if in next house if there is a malefic planet, then when moon transit it will face the problem and it will directly give to the native, to the child. So there are these are the astrological reasons, these are the placements of a planet of moon where problems created. First we will see with some example. After that I will let you know about the remedies and psychological reasons also. So here is one example. This is a Virgo Lagna. In this moon is placed in a fifth house, but moon is having a aspect of a planet Mars who is debilitated in a position, and Saturn is aspecting with his third aspect. So two malefic planet is aspecting moon. In this case moon creates a problem, or you can say moon with the bad planets aspect, so it gives the issues to the child. Now in this horoscope also you can see moon is placed in sixth house. I told you it's not a good house, so here moon is less powerful. So in this case you can see and there is a Saturn also just next to the house. So I told you the second point also, when moon having malefic planet next to him, this is also a problematic situation. So here is one more example. Here you can say moon plus Ketu is sitting together, which is malefic planet, and Saturn is also aspecting. Again, it's creating a more difficulties for child to learning, to understand the subject, to learn the subject. So here are some psychological reasons which I was talking continuously, and I'll discuss with you now. So first of all, we have to understand there are three learning styles for everybody, for every child. Your child also following one of them, so you have to understand which style he is following. First I'll let you know what are these styles and how they are connected with our child. Suppose there are three types of learning, visually, auditory and kinesthetic. So in this I will explain you with example. So suppose if teacher is teaching children's about a topic of a plastic, okay, or you can say a plastic bottle. So in this case teacher will explain child about the plastic, that plastic is it's like in this way, and it will give the definition of a plastic bottle. So there are three ways to make understand people, to make understand child, and child also following one of them ways to understand the subject. Visually child will understand only very accurately if teacher will show him the exactly size of a bottle, or in a form of a picturization on smart classes, or through the some pictures, or through some visual effects. So he will understand visually very directly because his mind is ready to accept the protocol which is coming through the visual learning. Auditory child will focus on the speaking of a ma'am, or speaking of a teacher, what she is saying or what he is saying about the definition of a product, what are the words he is using, because it's a listening power. So auditory learning people or child focus on the language, on the definitions, on the words and on the speaking way. Kinesthetic child is will focus how if teacher give him a bottle, plastic bottle, and say to him that you can feel the bottle, you can see what's the height of a bottle, how it's the touch, how it will be the when you will take the water, drink the water, how you will treat with this. So these are the some senses of touch which is connected with these style. So auditory, all people also, if if teacher put the bottle down to on earth, and it will create a sound, so through the sound also the auditory child will focus on this. So these are the three learning style which is followed by every child and every human. So if a teacher understand in a way that in which way my child is understanding this concept, so teacher can make understand child very goodly. And this is also important for the parents. If you understand the concept of your child, which type of learning style he is following or is follows, so it is very easy for you to make him understand, to give him a better study and best study, and you can make your child very good. So these are the remedies which is common for everything. And I'll tell you, I have used this technique connect with the astrology, this psychological technique, and I gave many remedies to many childrens, and they are successfully now doing their study, and they are very happy because I understand their basic learning style, which is very important. So here are some remedies which is common for everybody. I'm just discussing with you. Vastu is a very important part for study room. You have to see the colors of a inside the room, you have to see the direction of a room, which is very important according to the vastu. So remedy is, according to the vastu, your study room, the child's study room should be in a right direction. West southwest direction is the best direction to learning, to understand, to get the knowledge, or to study for the child. Here is one more point: light colors walls. I told you the color walls should be very in a light form, which is important remedy for everybody. Bookshelf or things which is connected with books, and motivated things also. I told motivated things should be inside the house, and it is also a part of a remedy. No aggressive pictures should be there. Gayatri mantra should be play inside the house, or child should be at least listen or chant a Gayatri mantra for 1 minute before start the study. And sitting arrangement should be proper to the electronic appliances, and it should be clearly, child should can see his books and study clearly. So this is sitting arrangement. So these are the common remedies or common things which you can understand, and it is important to follow with the child. So more remedies we can see. On every Amavasya, child should be bathed with Ganga Jal and water, mixing of water and Ganga Jal. And one more remedy: on every Purnima, child should be see a full moon for at least half hour. 12 names of Lord Ganesha should be chant or listened by a child. It is also a good remedy for a child. Worship of Lord Ganesha gives a very good result. Thank you so much. Here are some details of my accounts, and you can follow me on this. And thank you so much. I will again come with some interesting videos for you. Thank you for watching me.